to lock Instagram. So in order to do that, head over right here to your profile icon on the bottom, and then from in there you should be able to see your profile page. Head over and click in here on your tree line, and then scroll down until you can see this account privacy, and coincidentally it also has a lock icon. Head over and click on that, and as you can see right now I am public, so make sure to enable this private account by clicking on this toggle button right here. Click it until it turns blue. Head over and click on the switch to private right here, and as you can see it turned blue. Now let's head back to our profile right here. And as you can see on my profile, I now have this lock icon, which means that my account right now is private and it's been locked to my followers only. Only the people who follow me or the people that I approve to follow me will be able to see my highlights, my posts that I have right here, as well as my followers list and following list right here. So that's how you lock Instagram.